How's it going? Kid here again. Um, Today we're gonna be talking about homework from lesson 27, which really wasn't anything too extravagant. Um, Basically, all we discovered was the pull-up resistors that we made from my last video are not completely unnecessary. It's good to know how to make those because um, if you want to pull down resistor, there is no code for it the same way there's a code for pull up. So if you wanted to build a pull down, you do have to build a pull down in your circuit, at least with the Arduinos. So it's good to know that stuff. Um, just going to zoom in real quick, show you what's going on here, what we changed. So as you can see, a lot more simple circuit. Kind of hard to see past these wires, but it's whatevs. So we had pin 3, 4, 5, and 6 going. It's not in complete order. 3, 4, 5, 6. This was just what he was showing us how to do pull-up resistor in the code. And it's as simple as connecting one leg to the pin, connecting another leg to the ground. I got a ground rail here set up that's going to ground over here along with a 5-volt source, which you don't really need, so I don't even know why I have it plugged in. I just now realized that. But I digress. An RGB LED here set up with 3 legs each on a 1K resistor. The ground leg is going straight to ground, kind of going in between there nice and neat like. So probably could have packed them in a little bit tighter, but I didn't want a fat finger and make a boo-boo, right? So it is what it is. All right, so we'll go ahead and go to the code. So ints pretty much all stayed the same. All we did was we changed the inputs to input pull-up, right? So that's going to change those all into a pull-up state. So you don't have to put that pull-up resistor, right? And let's see if it works. So, moment of truth. Blue, excellent. Green, excellent. Red, excellent. Yellow even makes yellow. Look at that. So I did add another section here for yellow. Only downside is the yellow doesn't work the same way the others do because it's activating 2 pins, so you have to actually deactivate those 2 pins before you can deactivate or reactivate them again. So basically, if I hit yellow, it's going to turn yellow on. If I wanted to turn the green out so that it's just red, I have to hit that a couple times so that it turns off the green. Same thing with the red. Yeah, so that's the only downside to that. Doesn't really work the way I wanted it to, but it wasn't necessary anyways. I was just farting around trying to see if I could make it work. C'est la vie, right? But if you activate the yellow, it's going to activate the red and the green, and then if you add blue, you got white, and that's pretty neat if you ask me. All right. So, yay. All right. Yeah, the only thing that you have to change was adding that input pull-up to the input pins. That's it. That was the homework. That was pretty easy. I would like to. I'm still trying to figure it out. So where if I like activate the yellow, if I wanted to, I could hit red. Well, now it's going to work, of course. But I wanted to go where I don't have those instances where I have to double tap it to make something work, right? I would like it to all work that fluidly, but obviously yellow is activating 2 pins at the same time, so it's not going to work as simple as that. But I'll get there. We'll get there. We'll figure it out. That's why this playlist is called Learn Arduino, not Know Arduino, because I'm still learning. All right. Peace out, y'all.